Hello! To insert SIM card to your Redmi Note 14, you have to find yourself the SIM tray, which is located on the bottom side of your phone. And right now you simply have to insert this pin into this pinhole carefully. Alright, and you simply, as it is in all the way, you have to just push it like this. And now the SIM tray has been ejected. Now you have to grab it with your nails and simply pull it out, just like this. Alright, and right here we have the first SIM slot, as you can see, and on the other side we have the second SIM slot, but we have to insert our SIM card into this first slot. So right now we need to get ourselves the SIM card, and we need to flip it with this golden side, with this side actually facing upwards, and we simply have to put it right here, and it will fit perfectly in there. And now just we need to push it. Let me show you that it is, and on the one side it is fitting, and on the other side we need to push this SIM card in, and just like this, as you can see, it is all the way in this SIM slot, and simply we have to insert this SIM tray back into our